Go ahead. Hold on, hold on. So, how'd it go?
Eh.
What does "and" mean?
Eh.
What does "and" mean?
Of all the things I could be doing on my days off.
Well, so you're not happy with your work?
Well, my OCD
Yeah.
always gets the better of me.
Well, let's see how it. Let's check it out. Got some hazing in there in the top, but other than that, I think you did a great job. Got some hazing right here. I don't know, you guys be the judge. This is her first time, so it's not like she's been doing this for years, but this is her first time. So, how you like body work and painting and clear coating and all that fun stuff?
It's a lot like work.
A lot like work?
Yeah.
You don't like it?
I mean, it's alright.
It's alright?
I don't think anybody's going to be paying me top dollar.
I give you credit though, at least you tried.
I could take it off the bucket list. It was never on the bucket list, so I'll have to add it so I can remove it.
You know what's funny is my first time was terrible. Yours is out 10 times better than how mine came out. So I think it looks fantastic. We just got some hazing spots, and if you guys know what we can do to get that out, because I know West Ending's not taking that out. That's just not going to take that out.
I say it's a fix and flip, and it's fine.
Yeah, true that. True that.
Can't even see where it was cracked. It was cracked right here. Just
Was
kidding.
it there?
No.
Or was it that side?
It was on that side.
Well, I say. No, you can't tell it was cracked there. You did a good job plastic welding and fixing it.
Plastic melting. Exactly.
Plastic welding. Melting, welding, whatever.
It's all the same thing.
Yeah. All right, well, let's take a look at the car. This is the car she's fixing. I fixed that one. That one's up for sale, guys. Yeah, fixing this. So, body work, more body work.
Although this is done.
Yeah, this should be wet sanded.
Wet sanded, painted. That part's done. Couple things to do here. Actually, this one's pretty much done too. A couple spots here, almost done. Then we call it good.
Then you gotta swap that mirror, and then you gotta prep that mirror for paint.
Yeah, and then we gotta get a couple engine support bracket thingamabobbers.
Yep, the rest of the car is getting...
Hey, watch the paint job.
The rest of the car is getting, how do you call that,
Sanded,
cleaned
wet
first,
sanded,
then
and,
wet sanded, and clear coat over.
Your wife and her junk.
Yep. Hey, I give you credit though, you're doing it. Getting it done.
Yeah.
You don't sound too happy. What's wrong, buddy?
Is it done yet?
Is it? No, it's not done yet. No, but I am going to be painting this one soon, guys. This one has to get painted. I want it done. I want it done. Can't wait for this one.
As soon as you paint it, we'll register it. You can start driving this bad boy around.
Okay. Alright, guys. Till next time. And guys, like, comment more. Like, you know, like, you guys don't comment. Like, what? Don't be scared. Not going to bite. Comment. Alright? Alright, guys. Till next time.